even she sef know say na business she dey come do. That's why from the beginning she ask you say, what do you do for a living? You understand? If you think am well, the reason why she ask you what do you do for a living, just know say na business she dey come do. So make we put am side say normally you will get work before you marry, or you will get work before you get people. But enough for talking stage, the reason why she ask you what you do for a living, she don already know say na business she dey come do. You understand? So me, I no go lie for you. Any girl wey no learn hard work, or you no get anything wey she dey do, omo, me I no advise you make you na even get wetin una dey do sef. Those one na liability, na another work you dey carry, so you dey get.